Shugor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri rang ba ka jela Konrad Sangma henne ka siulaya thu ba ka committee ka balakli da menteri rang ba kalawan ra ya ka kerteng jong Justice S Vaidyanathan ko chairman ba Thymmai jong ka Meghalaya Human Rights Commission. Ulaban rab da ka bayat ho ba ka kanhon menteri henne ka sngi kala Mynjur ya ka ni ka kerteng balawan ra da ka committee balakli da menteri rang ba but long the court ru da usong kanon ka ying dor bar thawan ki simbut menteri rang ba bat unong yalam ka leng persya. Ulapan bana ba kakanhun Menteri kala Mynjur ya ka kerteng jong Justice S Vaidyanathan ubadai Chief Justice Barim jong ka Meghalaya High Court ban shinti kumu chairperson ka Meghalaya Human Rights Commission.
One informal item today in the cabinet, and we have approved them all. The first, the agenda or the item was the appointment of the chairperson of the Meghalaya Human Rights Commission. As you're aware, there is a committee that is headed by the Chief Minister, and the Speaker, the Deputy Chief Minister and the Leader of Opposition are part of that committee. And that committee selects the chairperson and proposes it, and the cabinet and then ratifies it. So in that, the committee at that point in time, the meeting was held about a week or 10 days back, we have proposed the name of Justice Vaidyanathan, who is the former Chief Justice of the Shillong bench, the Shillong High Court, the Meghalaya High Court.